everyone, and I'm back with a video for Tronquest. Sorry, I have been missing in action for a couple of days because I'm still on vacation. So I hope you can hear me with the background noise. I'm trying to minimize it with the headphones that I have. So let's just go. So as you know, with Tronquest, we made an initial investment. So our total, I think our first investment was 3,000 Tron. And then we made a withdrawal, and then we had 150 Tron reinvestment. Also, I talked about the referral back percent. So every time I receive referrals, 50% is going to go back to people who immediately use my first level downline. All referral things go right back and it's distributed to them. And let's just see right now. So right now there's 169 in referral rewards. So these 11 people who directly use this referral link, the tronquest.com referral 187, then whatever that I get is half of it is distributed to you guys. And that's just as a thank you for being supportive of the channel and hoping that you'll pay it forward and do it for people that are referred to you. Okay, so now what we're going to do today, it looks like we have 475 that's able to be withdrawn. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's switch this to withdraw. And we have 475.624. Let's just do 475 even. Not sure if we call, okay, so there it is. So you saw that it went back. Let's refresh the screen. Okay, so we have total withdrawn, and what we're going to do is do a redeposit. So of the 475, let's do 150 again. Okay, we've deposited that. So now that brings our total invested to 3,300 TRX. And as you can see, the daily ROI was a little raised because we had a hold bonus. I believe we had like 0.3. So because I did a withdrawal today, that means that we go back to the basic profit, and that's fine. So with all of the models that I use, I like to first try to recoup the initial investment of $3,000, 3,000 Tron. I didn't do this on this one. I'm doing it half and half, sort of. So each time I still want to be able to withdraw the total invested Tron. But for this amount, I just wanted to show a little bit of a change on some of the smart contracts in which I'm investing higher Tron amounts. I'm trying to recoup first and then switching to a 90-10 or 50-50 structure. So that's it for this one. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, with this one, the balance is low, so we won't be doing a daily video about this particular smart contract. So catch me in a couple of days to give you an update on Tronquest. And as you know, that I like to let you guys know that if you are a member of the YouTube channel and also a member of the Facebook group, if you have referral links to share, let me know that you are a member of both, and I'll be happy to share your referral link on one of the videos. Okay, until then, I'll see you tomorrow.